The DJI Agras T70P, the game-changing beast that's revolutionizing farming. With a 70-liter spray tank, unleashing precision coverage at 30 liters per minute with just 2 powerful sprinklers. Or crank it up to an incredible 40 liters per minute with extended mist nozzles for ultra-fine, deep-penetrating application. Your crops get treated faster, smarter and more evenly than ever before. Need to do spreading? Flip to spreading mode and the 100-liter tank fires out materials at a mind-blowing 400 kilograms per minute, blanketing wide swaths in record time. This drone doesn't crawl. It flies at up to 72 kilometers per hour, blasting through large fields, while its heavy-duty lifting system hauls up to 65 kilograms like it's nothing. Need to move gear, supplies or tackle tough jobs? It's got you covered. And safety, next level. With AR enhanced obstacle detection, it spots trees, poles, wires, everything, and gives you crystal clear visuals to navigate like a pro even in tricky terrain. Brought to you by DJI Agriculture, built tough for real farm jobs. Ready to supercharge your operation? Hit up Anyali Group today at 016 100 1058 or swing by anyaligroup.co.za. Your fields will thank you.